kick them. And these people really want to be with him. No, he's that nurturing kind of person. No, so, like, you start, no, like Bong started yung group namin from elementary high school. We start with this select small group of people. Now we call ourselves the Spies. And then this one person, like ako, no, paglalabas kami ni Bong, no, during my residency training, susunduin niya ako sa dorm, magkikita kami. Sama ko yung ibang friends ko, no? There's Macy, si Liza, si Kay, Sonia, no? And then, eventually I find out na mas close pa siyang ngayon, no? Ninong na ng mga anak nila, host na during the weddings, no? So those kinds of people, and even sino pa dito? Si Guy D, no? From Mayer, no? Geraldine from Mylene, no? And Mayer also, no? So he's that kind of person, no? Kahit na wala siyang pahinga, minsan may burat siya.